Hi everyone, thank you for coming. My name is Kevin and welcome to the channel. In this channel we're going to cover a lot of cartoons. We're going to draw a little bit of everything, anything and anything. If you have requests, put it in the comment section below and we'll try to make that drawing for you. Okay, so get a piece of paper and a marker, follow along. One of my favorite things is nice and simple. Everybody can draw them and everybody likes them, and that's the angry birds. So I'm going to make an angry bird here. We're going to draw red. Red's pretty easy. You're just going to start with a circle. Okay, so get your paper and a marker, and we're going to try to make a pretty good circle. I don't make the best circles, so okay, something like that. Okay, then right about here I'm going to make a V, not too big of a V. Go all the way to the edge of the paper there, to the edge of your circle. Come down and do the same thing right here. Come up and then close that off there. Now those are his eyebrows. Then we're going to color those in. Should have got a thicker marker to color quicker. I'll just color those in real good. Try and make them even. Probably takes me longer to do it than you guys. When you're done, you should have one big black eyebrow. Okay? Now from there, his eyes are right below his eyebrows, but we're going to start on his beak. So we're just going to do one line straight down right there so we don't lose where we want his eyes. And then right at the bottom of that line, we're going to start his beak, and we're going to come out with a line. And then we're going to come over to about there. And then at the top of the line, we're just going to come down and connect that. Okay? Then underneath his beak, right here, come in a little bit from the tip. We're going to make a triangle that's upside down. 1. Come over to here and do the same thing. 2. Color in a little shadow there because I'm at an angle. Okay. And I like to get a little shadow under there. To right there. Now that's his beak. Now we can do his eyes. Come up to here. Start a half a circle. Bring it right into his beak. And then anywhere in the middle or wherever you want, draw a pupil. And we're going to color that in black all the way. Okay. Now on this side, same thing. Come over here. And draw a circle. Pretty easy, right? Come to the corner of his beak here. And this right here, we're just going to come down. And right over by his beak here. Touch. All that gets colored in red. Okay. Now in the back over here, there's not much left to go. We're going to make his tail. We're going to go up, over, and down. And then stop about there and go out a little bit longer. Over and down. He's got 3 feathers on his tail, so we're coming out one more time. Over. We're going to come in and touch. And we're going to color that in black. Okay. Don't mind my hand in the way. Let's color all the feathers in black. He's almost done. Once we have that right there, we're going to go up to the top of his head. And we're going to start right about here. And make one big feather. Round at the top and come right back down. Then we're going to make about halfway point, about right there. We're going to do a second head feather. We're going to go out, circle, come in and touch the top of his head. Now when you color all this in red and his feathers red, you have red. Colored them in. I'd like to see your pictures if you can send them to me. I'm going to put my email address down in a lot of the descriptions if you guys want to send me your drawings that you learned off this channel. That'd be neat. Okay, so that's red. We'll do more Angry Birds in other videos. Thanks for watching. Have fun with it, and I'll see you in the next video.